Welcome to Math Tutorials. In this video, we will talk about synthetic division. Dividing a polynomial by a monomial, binomial, trinomial, or any other polynomial is solvable when we use long division. But if you only have to divide a polynomial by a binomial, there is a faster and easier way, and that is synthetic division. Take note of this. Synthetic division is applicable if and only if the divisor is a binomial. Let us try to solve some examples. 3x squared plus 2x minus 8 divided by x plus 2. In synthetic division, we need to rewrite it into where the inside part are the numerical coefficient of the dividend, but make sure to arrange it in order from highest degree to constant. And don't forget the sign. For this is the divisor. We just have to get the value of x. In this case, x plus 2 will be x equals negative 2. Remember, we got this because of addition property of equality, where we add opposite sign of a coefficient to both sides of equation to isolate the variable. Let us use a mnemonic that shows steps in using synthetic division. B mama. B for bring down, we just have to bring down our first term, which is 3. Next is to multiply. We need to multiply 3 and negative 2, which is negative 6, and will be placed here. Next, add. We need to add positive 2 and negative 6. That is negative 4. Then, multiply negative 4 times negative 2. And that is positive 8. And for the last step, add negative 8 plus positive 8. And that is 0. Take note of this. The degree of the highest term of our quotient is always 1 less than the degree of the highest term of our dividend. So in this case, the degree of 3 is 1. Therefore, it will become 3x. And negative 4 over here is already a constant. Therefore, the answer is 3x minus 4, knowing that we don't have a remainder since this is 0. Let's proceed with the second example. X cubed plus 2x minus 3 divided by x minus 1. As you notice, we are missing one term, and that is the second degree term. In this case, we have to rewrite this into knowing that the numerical coefficient of x cubed is 1, and because we don't have second degree term, it is considered 0. For our divisor, it is positive 1 because the value of x in x minus 1 is 1. With the use of same mnemonic B mama, bring down, multiply, add, we will obtain. Since our highest degree term in our dividend is raised to 3, therefore, the quotient should be raised to 2. So the answer is x squared plus x plus 3. And again, because this is 0, therefore we don't have a remainder. For our last example, x squared minus 2x plus 3 divided by x plus 4. In synthetic division, it will be, and by the use of B mama, we will have thus, the answer for the last example is knowing that the highest degree term of our dividend is raised to 2, so our highest degree term in our quotient is raised to 1. And because this is not 0, we have a remainder, 27 over x plus 4. So, the answer is x minus 6 plus 27 over x plus 4. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.